Hello, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a scatter plot and also other types of plots and graphs. So let's go ahead and create a new project, and of course using the R language, and I'm using Visual Studios, this one. Let's go and put a name on this. Yeah. Plotting store values, I'm going to name it like that. And I'm going to keep these checks. Hit OK. Just wait. So pretend they gave you a table with X and Y values, like 5 points. So I want to graph them. Okay. Now I'm gonna use the script here, also not the code editor, for my coding here. Let's see. So I'm gonna create um, a vector with a variable X, and I'm gonna assign that vector the following numbers representing the X values: 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay. And then we have the variable Y, which represents the Y values. And this we have 8, 0, 4, 6, and 2. Okay. And I want to graph, or I want to plot these two values, these two vectors. Okay. So if I hit enter and then hit play right here, just wait. And there it goes. There's my plot. Okay. Okay. Now let me stop this. I can also add a few things to it. For example, I can add the type of plot there. In this case, here I give you low here. If I do P, it'll be for points, L for lines, B for both, and there's different. I'll C for the lines part along of B, O for both overplotted. So if we do O, lowercase o, let's see what it gives me. Play. There we go. The lines and the points. Okay. If I do H for histogram, there you go. That's my histogram. Okay. All right. So that's how we do it for that. Okay. Next, let me show you guys how to. And I'm going to do on this side so we can do everything step by step. As you guys can see step by step how it is. It's working. Let's clear that. And let me save this. All right. So let's see. What if they want you to make a graph, just like we did before, but instead of with giving 4 types of list. Each list represents a quarterly sales of your business. Okay, so let's see. So we have quarter 1. Let's create a list. Let's have the dot variable quarter 1 be assigned the list that has the following information. January with 1,500 sales. February with 1300 cells. Mars with 2400 cells. Okay. And let's click here on the verb explore so we can see. Here you go. That's my already have my stuff right there. All right. And then we'll make another, let's create another list. Let's call this quarter 2. Oops. Okay. See. This list, it has the second quarter, which start with April. Okay. May. All right. And then we have this amount. Okay. And there it goes. And then we have quarter 3. And that one's going to follow with July. And 3100. And for those who are asking how I was able to copy and paste, I just I press my up arrow, and that shows repeats the last statements. Let's see how it goes. The amount of 3800 September. The amount of 3200. All right. And then we're gonna do the last one, quarter 4. And that bet is gonna have this. It's gonna be assigned with the list containing the list. October with 2600. November. December. Okay. All right. Now that we have this, so we have this 4 list, which has been given to you from some department, and since R uses vectors, we need to save them in vectors. And now actually, I don't think that'll be the right way to say this. They give you 4 lists and you need to save them. So I save these 4 lists and these variables, and they're as list. And now I need to create this. These 4 lists, I save them to their own vectors. And now I need to combine these 4 vectors into one vector, into one single vector, so I can go ahead and create the table. Create the graph. All right, so I'm gonna name this single vector year that it's gonna contain all those 4 vectors, of 4 vectors. So we do onList and the name of those vectors, qtr1, qtr2, qtr3, qtr4. Okay. All right. So if I click here, see, so each vector, individual vector, became now one whole vector right here. So that's a way you can combine all these different vectors into one vector. And this is especially helpful whenever you have a list. And the reason I decided to use a list because I also want to have the January, the name of the month, and name in there. All right, and the next step is doing the actual plot. So let's go and plot this. We use the plot command function like we did before. We're gonna put first thing where we're gonna put the name of the vector where the data is coming from. Before we plug in show you here. See how we did the x and y, presenting the x and the x-axis and the y-axis values. In this case, since we have one whole vector that has all the information, we're going to put the name of the vector. So let's plot the vector year, and we're going to use the type of plotting to be with a o, lowercase o, which is going to be the lines and the points. Okay, we're gonna also have a color, make a color blue. Notice that the name is the first letter of the name is uppercase. Okay, and we have quotations. You can also put red, black. All right, and the type of the character of the point, and I'll show you guys once the graph pops up. So, this is the annotation. Pretty much, if I left it true, I'll show you guys if I left it true what happened, but we'll do it false because I don't want the computer to give me the title or the sorry, and then we have the axis. Okay. All right. So you can see there's no names, nothing. If this was true, oops, I mean like that. Oh, okay. If I have changed this to true, again, uppercase on these logic commands. True. Okay. See. Oh, this is what will have happened. Okay. It will give me it will plug in the numbers and the years for me. Okay. Now it was like that. Now it's like that. Okay. Previous plot. Next plot. Okay. All right. I'm gonna keep it false. Okay. And that's because we're gonna put our own, titles. I'm gonna put my own, the lines I want. So now I want the command axis is it's just for the labels. And, as you can see, it's gonna give me the labels, the positions, all those other good stuff about this graph. All right. So let's see now. Excuse me. Let's see. Psi. Alright, so the first one is the psi, and the sign number. Here goes the information. It's a psi. If I type in 1, it'll be below down here. 2 is on the left. Number 3 is above, and 4 is on the right. So let's start with the one below, representing the x-axis. So on the x, which is below, I'm gonna have let's see. Okay. Okay. I have that. That's gonna be my numbers of we call my numbers of the numbers of labels underneath, and then let's see. And I'm gonna name those. So it's gonna be the numbers of dashes. Um, once it appears, guys, I'm gonna explain better. I feel like sometimes wordings is not good enough. Let's do this first. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. So 1 through 12 is these lines. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 lines. And then here it says grab the names and map vector years. And here it goes. Okay. And there it goes. All right. So now I'm going to do the second one. I'm going to create another one going up here, and it's going to be on the left. So I'm going to create an axis on the left hand side, and I'm going to leave it like that because I want the default one. See, the computer generated like a default amount. Okay. Uh, Now I would like to add my own titles. Let's go and put some labels, and let's try with the title itself. So we do title. See this one. Say I want the title. Let me see if I can. Title. All right. The main was no sub exit. The X label, the Y label, lines, all that good stuff. So let's start with the X label. So the X label, we're gonna have the title month. Okay. All right. Now let's name the Y axis to be. Uh, why not? Let's do the number symbol here. Then I'm sorry, the money symbol, the dollar symbol, and then we're gonna do. That's the main label, lowercase. It's gonna be title. It's gonna be yearly sales. Okay, and then we can add color to this thing. For the main, we can have the color red. Okay, there you go. See. All right, and we can go ahead to make things a little more fancier. We can create a box around it. See, cool. So, let's see. Let me go and put this copy code. I'm gonna put right here, paste, so you guys can see. Save this. If I run, if I have done it here, if I run it, okay. So here it goes. Just I have two plots by the way. See. Oh yeah, there's the last plot. So I'm gonna go ahead and erase. No, not like that. Let me erase this like so. Okay, run it again. And there it goes. That's the one. See, we got my other plots. All right. Okay, there you go. All right, so let's stop this and let's play around with it a little bit. So I'm gonna use this side. So let's see, what can we do here? Well, first, let's go ahead and erase this because we don't need this. It's contradicting already. Oh yeah, I remember now because I was showing you guys other ways to do certain things. Going erased it. Okay. All right. Let's see. There it goes. All right. Cool. All right. So let's stop that. So okay. So here, look recap. We have 4 lists, saving each vector. Then I went ahead and saved all those 4 vectors within one vector. And then I plotted the vector here with the type all. If I could have done, for example, H for histogram, and yeah, histogram, push play, and this shows me this style. Here, if this was a 10, push play. It doesn't show much on this side. This graph. Let me change this to an O. Because on this one, push play. See, it has the types of points have changed. Let's try this again. So that side goes with a 10. And just to make things really different, if I put 2, notice the graph is going to change as a triangle, see? And that's what that number stands for. Okay? Alright, stop that. And let's keep it triangle. I like that. If I have done true on this here, oops, true. Okay. And then let's see. I need to take this out. Let me comment this. Alright. See, year will appear, and so does the index in the bottom, the names of the one the computer generates. And here's some other options. Okay. Okay. So I'm sorry. This is my history. I'm sorry. There's the histogram. I mean the history of my plots. That's cool. All right. So let me stop that. If I have done this true, okay, and push play. I'll give me a box, and it'll pretty much the computer will generate their own X and Y axis and also their own labels. But since I want my own personalized label, I'll put this as false, pretty much turn that off, turn this off, and then play. They're not there anymore. I turn them off. I did not. And here I assign my own labels, my own titles, which is this one. Okay, let's stop that. All right. Well, I hope you guys like this. Please comment below, subscribe, and if you guys have any questions, just post me a question. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye.